after school no so the tipping pim after senior high school no be adwuma kakra o can say hotel
as a receptionist.
No, as a cleaner.
Wow.
Easy. Even cleaner no kra no me say should teach kakra by workers no because na adwuma no so na nipa ba ko oye nipa be 3 na nipa fo adwuma tina brew.
Hey.
Ne meet me hotel in the mom.
Yes, of course. Why not? It's na o free fee na wako every day bi na say na o no.
No free fee na wako.
See, you have to leave the house very early in the morning.
You say na be more you run a shift to a big hotel room.
Okay.
More mobile night no. Minim nearby the bet. Me so mu nyina jai boom nipa be 3 jai boom.
Hey.
And men am go take charge of night. Nti nipa 3 adwuma na ba ko for me. Ti enye izo.
Wow.
As a cleaner. Ti we adwuma bresa for the whole night. Ti I think say 190 be na adwuma she the new hono mebre. Ti me me correct kakra na ma wi adwuma na aka say obepra compound no.
Yeah.
Nsade enchin sa hotel opera so na wo distract.
Yeah, wo distract so mada nti no.
Ti me correct kakra na me supervisor bible we say me rest your semanda na otwa picture de ko kire manager so you wadi.
Oh,
manager so you wadi.
Why you adwuma wi no?
Ma wi mo adwuma ka pra keke manager say over 90 abedant we wadi. Ti that was
why explain yan chene say na on be say obe ha guest no.
No na de ni say ofrewa ombisa o side of the story. No ka trust in scaffold there.
The hotel na
o ko. From there kra me ko ya adwuma so wo shimbe nso so kakra. Nti from
uko bonsu
me adwuma bia ni wa menye video ya si o.
Enti wa bonsu da?
Ma bonsu pa.
Bonsu
already.
Wow.
We shimbe mu honum na me say.
That is after you were free. Hotel honum.
No na your hotel no wo shimbe.
Okay. Okay, this cleaning now mamenya. Me wa be broadcast.
No say hotel na biate no ho ana be washing be nti. First na me room attendant. Ti na adwuma ni ho a yakoboa washing be fo no bu ha say 2016 say na mo ya campaign bu ha mahama ne omo de VT ni ba bibri.
Yeah, abegu
boys ne so na.
E kwan ne so abofin ti no.
Na ya boa boys ne nti na mo experience kakra.
Oh, okay.
Ya de eboabo mu nti omo yi ma different hotel honom no.
Now say
my member washing be na me mepe was
cleaning bia cleaning.
Cleaning bia.
So I mean cleaning for me cleaning car.
And also so na we say ya de.
So that is around let's say 16, 17, 18 around that age.
Yes.
It's for how long?
Washing be me for 1 year.
Okay.
1 year. Ti no me.
Hotel no so for how long?
And me no almost a year.
Okay. See if I say 2 years.
Yeah.
All right.
Washing be now here me team the gades Ghana me to camera.
Okay.
Ti me to camera for comedy me na me comedy beginning no.
Hey, ma me na fufu na wuwe.
Me siefu no me tugala me say. Minya me kasa. Eradicasa. Yeah, eradicasa.
Omo muni media nim say.
Now we years resem.
And I'm years resem bet.
Sir,
nyami say me koye one comedy obi fie na me ko hu Accra ba ko bi no yare. Nti omo ne maame say abusuafo ni bi na kire say oyare na omo kura omo pem wa de ama Accra no. Nti me mai jai comedy no. Na ye me first project fa sa Accra no. Ti emi say mitimi nya mo akakra be ne nkwa ni mu na me so me kakra e wo no ye de support abusuan na omo de hwa Accra no. I think say na Accra na ho ye.
So this is where the whole philanthropic idea came.
It started from.
It's not something that you sat down to.
No cry man, sit down for my dream. I'm ni ye. Na start me comedy no. But million boy back your friend or Kojopuku. Yeah, on currently or Newmont. Or so abom ye pa. You know. Na
Kojopuku Misha what?
Or no. Na I say always be no. Hold me camera. Nti
to na twa
online na twa me nti always be no so ba school K University.
Okay.
Nti o makwa mba fie nko ha dia
mobile adwuma
always be a ti nya radio station ba ko so ana te fa ko wunya aduane ndi ntina radio no so mo program bi wo hono ma manfo tie pa na after program no so sponsors no mo aduane san say yakoye Facebook yakotwa mo ne dia to YouTube mo na agi aduane so na ko butter trade ye the camera ko na ye dia to YouTube mo ejuma pa FM alaji gongo no on any team no ye program we friend referee program ne din kakra then so ye more of sa
it's na munyeska but
it's a comedy ne dia untimi enye be na YouTube nso so afi na ayede abali ntina you get yourself involved but still be a binya drain di no na anopa I think na area on my time no
if you ding
na rush the call akotwa terrorist
we school so di obi am uska o nti no wa mo ani amre pa dia wa hwe akobedo
can say omo program no na agi aduane nti sa nti from there no kra no mo so mo ye similar irefo we ni bi no be no mo de na ekoye more of our resem ni we no ti bi wa higher resem no ba na omo hwe na ahodi ni nya na so where factory and I said like ya sign put your na ya kutwa ne yitiminya be a bigger help for them. That is how and also
which year was that?
That was I think in 2017 or 2018 Mobako.
Wow.
Wow. From then ya shasi nti release back abo say oh no be the video bi na picture bi sendo no na see ni see na me go through me ya me nyamwa ti me ya na me say okay and ya be that side and so because me say me say obi e koma ya
papa
say me say e koma ya
and dafem
na oto na winya aduane ndia na adwem bebra about him ko di boni we me di boni
of course
ti ya say ya be ko the nearby in class no na fide ya dey share your project sa we na say.
But around that time, let's kenny ho. When you took that upon yourself, say,
radio stations now your production. No more car be honum. So more production now.
No more diomochi.
We could capture pictures. The more your Facebook live and that to swam more. But you could do a crowd and yes, ye inquiries about.
When a yare and when and a hundred no near day.
Say honum the kushia vida.
Okay.
Vida.
But also Vida, you know Vida pictures netos na.
Ketwana.
Yes.
Ona me diko shiano.
Very interesting
very interesting. On say me ko na o she demusa Vida na das no.
Yes, Vida ni.
O she demusa ti woman ba ko na eye no si onno mpie. Ti mini di nkomo no se aya na chromopho no bi. The way na situation is chromopho bi ka say oye bayifo. Bi mo bo ne ba ya nti e manimpi nti ma mesi manimpi tina o windows na mesi tabi ti from there no na mi say menena ye interview ano kire kra say obi dware agi say ono fa form ho sa nti wa hwe ni interview ne da bo se no kire say of fa form Koda na chi ekwa bu bim na ko dware ho ti bia na ma me ko form anu asani su akosi ho no to ye no ko dware no asan fa form aba so beginning na first time me say me ye adwaye ma no
okay
so me interview by na me nya ni pakakra na ye adwaye edema no ti ewi adwaye no na me say emre no ko animu na omuni asase ba bi omtena nya modia na kakra me nsakan no na we so asase no nhyada na e di secure asase no momo ti ene ame no kasa yi ya timi aye 2 bedroom apartment ya mom ye mo so ye aka ye aye awie lentil na ntia aka se ye di nua beguso na ya boss no ma plaster ti ono ne de ho na ya kwa kodu ti di man na mi se obohu na obi di ya send ho free tamale na ade ti ya bredi ya camera so ana bia obi ye wedding ti radio station na ye wono na almost advertise say oh ye wedding upe picture na video
contact we mo
your friend
said ya mbenya mi kakra
ti from sa we na esu nya revenue kakra me say itimi ade twitwa ya ho kakra ti ye na o say wo hwe obi situation hu ni okoma na bu atamale na ya faka akotamale na ya kwakoye na ya nyamoa na ya de amomo
dine na daso no
Vida dining.
Oh, nice one.
2 bedrooms, kitchen, toilet, and bathroom.
Okay, that's nice. It's never too late. If you want to still help, you can donate something. You can reach us. You can send me a message, DM me, or call forward the number and then the social media handles now. Because we're seeing them so boa anybody so and supporting the little that you can. And that's kind of a kit will be in the don't feel shy about it. Say, oh dear, 10 cedi, 5 cedi, 20 cedis, 50 cedis, 100 cedis, 200, 100 million. Now between me send there. Then now the bar, your budget, come on. So far, you have gone places.
Yes.
Sure. How many regions have you been to? Like, how many regions now Akoye Juma Atache lives?
Currently, Ghana Hanom no I think 16
regions, yeah.
Matima 13. Upper East, na Upper West, na me say Western region.
Oh, okay.
I say.
Now where we?
Yeah, be vote outside who na there.
Makoni na
na eba be Cape Coast ne Accra no mi na there. Etuma Kumasi Sunyane ne my trouble bia. It's
in our for own class for president.
For president, I got 3 regions, like I say.
Wow.
We say confiance.
This is nice. This is very nice. Why are they? And that film. Mutim no how many? Mododo ya say.
My team no say me no many aboy na me na shasi kwajupoku na kwajupoku no school na baako so aba fie friend Mike.
Okay.
Yeah, ti kwajo ni ho na Mike no ho.
I take you over.
We are about 5. Yeah, kwajo Mike, Benedict and a YG na me.
Okay.
Ti nipa 5 na your team nti always be ano. Aye boys obi ye na ade bet say you hu say project you ha na ya come together. Na fidie ya kwa den. Ya kwa ye.
That is nice.
Yeah, available be ano timi e ko support.
We tom keke.
And we say me realize I was more into content creating.
Yes.
But now a comedy,
yeah.
But comedy not a movie. Now so you have to come out with your own thing or your own style.
Yeah.
Me realize people are much interested in this. Then let me go in for this. So me na I say me develop it kakra I'm for a chair down ade people are getting to know me because me say me meet my comedy be 10 years obi anim.
Yeah.
So but me we at the end of the day not financially aboa me in so many ways.
Yeah.
So aboa me in so many ways. Nti na the content creation na me sha say me no na me say the comedy na emwakra na ne ma me fa comedy into na fide
focus we
so enhwe.
And it is really paving way.
Yeah, sure.
It is really paving way. Recently Wakoje award as the most influential change maker.
Yes.
I know what
humanitarian awards
Akosia de Demao. France ambassador to Ghana. Akosia, I don't know. On the Demao. It's very nice. It's very encouraging.
Yeah.
And not stress baby. And not stress baby. It is very, very nice. Okay. Pictures ni bile won.
I said Akobichi.
Oni Kobichi ni jina hono no.
And I'm also na ema minya da.
Killer fashionista.
Kobichi.
Yeah.
Ono so Yankopon shira na
pa Kobichi. I love that man so much.
Me no. And I recommend me ma can say organizers
no say they should look at your work.
This is nipa sumasi ono ne de no much more on ni town much more into villages nya de ti humanitarian for no social here ehwe minjuma
akosua so ne dance no
hwe minjuma ni bia na realize enti ono so aboye pa enti Kobichi nyame hira.
God bless you Kobichi senior man. Sure. Salute. Killer Bakopa, me feeling too much. Too much. All right, that's nice. How did you get the name Bossman TV?
Bonesman.
Bonesman TV. How did it start?
Say me come be a me for na so always be an boys na me no mo ye no.
Yeah.
Na say why say bo Kasei.
Why is it Kasei?
So I took it. Now Bonesman if we school. So whatever me target will be say. I won't give up.
Yeah.
So I took William's slogan. Never said I never give up.
Until the bones are rotten.
Yeah. Until bones get rotten. Don't give up. So until Mr. That I use slogan. They say then I will be the bone.
Yeah.
I'll never get rotten. I will keep pushing till I achieve my aim.
Wow,
so
that's nice. I've always wanted to ask you this. I am say Bonesman no go free for Bonesman TV because now Clinton and your boy TV and say Clinton TV.
Bonesman dey free via SHS. SHS na. Because JHS crampo.
Bones they don't get rotten.
Yes, you don't have to give up.
You don't give up.
Yes,
I like that. I love that.
So you don't have to give up. Adibia when is biano. Try as much as possible. Say untimi achieving in your crown bit me achieve be. From that name no crown me interview bia say my interview na me nyam one man pano. I over 50 interviews on my door so pa above 50.
Yeah.
Interviews. Obia manyamwa mobia.
Wow.
Manyamwa mobia.
So far, currently, how many people have you touched?
And the intimate kind. The interviews are my intimate kind. I'm a count 100 because
any power call one chain I or mumwa. I could cover or more a story.
Bibroham and cover. Bibroham and cover. Personally, no. Who are the bar na be
now hear them one or
one of my who didn't beat me there.
Now why not quietly?
My no quietly. To be broham and what?
Okay.
We cry no.
It's mostly the about social media and they just say baby our holding no apem no. Anna what they say emra. Wow.
And to be brohonoma and dear me
oh from Picra.
Obey say pese ya
microphone who situation yeah
go ha me fam bakra but ahode no ho dia we help do hoso kra dia ne me mfiom because no Ghana hanom no adwe ma ya che kakra nti one way ya obi di ne situation kakra meka se ode be defraud so
yeah one
smart ya ode be defraud say I think say I had one yam queen interview omba no mobile ni our for parents ya oye hiamwa ya bani I think the picture no crowd
yeah picture no ha Francis
omo
guy na on na ire ekra ketwa no
they needed about 6,000 cedis.
Okay.
And a amount for boy amount for attitude some abua manya 4,000 cedis. Medemo moi ABC name and tio monka. So but I say may
for Obani hospital no
hospital oh dear manya more than half grandma upe is it 55 for 60 million. Revenue 60 million.
And a mania 40 amount. It's in my half. It's my 20 per 2,000.
So ukita 40 million is here another hospital. Doctors for be ebe jiska.
Anyway,
manya can say 40 million amount na fa kra no hospital. Na mante wonka na I say what that
yeah
from some funa dum tino masomo obi amana call several times oka onkoto papa no am say papa na this can here dey see no so
what dey twa nanum o
dey twa nanum tino na my ne say definitely me
on that so no
me come back to
me stromo we dey me paucho ohene o ho atro say dey the beer ni hono mo ade akye woni di mesrewa abofra no ho hia pa
1 month you no wadi 1 month
na ni ntimi mbie
atare
o dia call hospital yesefa say bra
amanfo bisa me
em watimi aba ebi kwa na ka de koi kwa ka okoshi obi kwa o say ene metop up kra ma
o omo donate en bitimi bisa me
say akosi say
assistant me see minya atamo
eni pa wadwuma na fa mu people can even think say we this kind
so
as is in free so
a challenge
oh yeah cry mama me bu crave
yeah me share so
I don't know where sir ti o ho atro na e boa wo so a wo nse na afei o manipa nsa sifem because aboafo no omo boa wa omo hwe de o de ade na ekwa akoye se waka se wo koye sei enti ye
o ya me new follower bi of no follow me a o
it will nim enum a wa sheda ye bebre sa
obi kra o ho boa o kra se bia me boa with bia 500,000 cedis ya say or the Udis scanning money panel. Say be one am discover.
Yes.
Meje hu video.
Who say yes. Scan say now the man.
Mr. Ela say me fa ska 500 CDs.
Amount.
I'm just send you you know, from there and then they start to develop,
to build trust.
Trust.
Because shall any pan yet. Onu say me nkofo we brief frame me. E wo am the number to you a omo frɛ. Say be a ne story ni any ade enti no or per kwanya aba me show no na me interview ni ade. Say be on one smarter. One investigations na. Maybe to me investigative journalist mun nim. Yes say be a mete here presenting keke. Me pan na me here. Say you wuram. I nyoma. Enye nsem na na ye ka. No pa ye be this guy say hwan ye. Eti before you know no na ma be you hu say wo suban ni anase say na otie ansana me hu say na otie amefa wo metena anom because me pese obedada
ya journalist obia bi wo hono ma omo de business.
Yes, yes.
Me personally me ye interview na menya opeska 1 CD na menya 5 CDs here. I present the 5 CDs to you. I present everything to you
because wo project wo din ye de call ye enti de beba ni nyina no ye pia de mawo
akaba akoya na niti aya kesi
no yeah Charlie that story no dey
no see no na parents ni here 6,666 million for surgery. 66 million.
Wow, 6,600.
But no meet me raise almost 30,300 million.
Wow. Wow. Charlie.
Miss Presentee is getting in.
Sorry, really, all the same name no miss you. I didn't even almost always say I'm in Casa because me to me hey we are say
we too more.
Hey Jesus.
I crown say hydrocephalus so name.
Tiedino enso akoginam
eginam ti we ade sana so touch ni tim so green so near green.
Jesus Christ.
So egina akra ni tim ti we mean skabe 30,000 now
viewers we dey monka fra mon fan share why enwoma ni bi wo horma ya na e kra yi bebre frim ye kawe mo su no ye yi frim and that from enye easy my brother.
It's a balance na ma amena media share adwuma ase
e say o my operation na wie
o my wie o mo de ade afa the team
actually so no
omo de for the team ade PS be ne be ma no
yes
so na kakra ti de bo pampers
enti
nyantwenwie menim say o the other picture na
Francis Bacho
no da ho ni ti no so ate kakra.
Okay, nice one. It's almost gradually it will
we see we no o twe no at once e be ha kra no na say tri no nkase no mu abi na nso ni ginam ti e wo say ekwa kakra na kase
we na kese kamenya doctor no be kira se say adibi say what causes that serious
say na anything na sia na when sina pp sa no ono so e fe na samo ono no o tamale
akra we obe odifo akra ya bre wo ya se oba ye
wa bre papa na timodu sia ni train mu atwe medical sia ba akosa o sunya fia pre ono de yetimi sunya scam abusia no mo de no hospital ye bet and they went man survive.
Oh Jesus.
Na me ha wet mo twa be wan ya kra mo wogidi say
obey okay
obetima you okay
wan hia kra ba be testimony kase pa ye mo mpa ye ma no
de
ye mo mpa ye ma no
mo say obetima ye yi
project die hin na why wakoya usunye okoto case no unsa ade we die ano ye den
project me bro mi sun bu ha ukohu obi situation a utimi su se o ka se mahu se wi anu ade na ada ni nyina areho ni nyina bebre areho na me project no enye project bia se bia me ya no me project e ba da bi hwe situation ni hu se wi critical pa
asana yes
ya wa ya udi da bia na wo sere moa
sa
hanti me hu se wi critical pa wi go hia moa we indeed o se pe moa ma no ansana me ya maye tibu a we project bu ha 2 months kwa na me project was say me the project bana me nyamwa ya na me pese me sane for Friday
aba to hono
so nti project bia na me ba me hwese me wi ansa na me dem nti project ndi me bro hono ma aha na ro wa beginning na se ase na okoto a utimi su wi na mini aboy kwajo na oma ya to aso so
wow, that's nice. Me madam for me brother Kweku Frimpon Yeboa Mrs. Kweku, shout out to you, bro. God bless you so much for the encouragement and the support. I appreciate it for the prayer. God bless you, my brother. Kweku Frimpon. Who were you remember? So why make you effort to watch? We don't say your time and yana in coffee where you want to say almost school, but they still try to watch. And the good thing is me ye kra na show no and that's on the Facebook. You can watch it any day, anytime. Even when I'm done, you can still go and watch it. Sure. Increase the number for me. It is very important. Share it to your loved ones, all your family members, even your enemies. Let them see it. That Don Ilag is right here. It's big shout outs to all my crew, Francis and Nana Kwame, Amane, and Collins, and so Ebo Jumakama or Haye Yamin Shramunina Mitamasi for all the support and the love that you show me. Jaisu is 1 year. Wow. Jaisun Nasri show no 1 year. Last Saturday na Sunday nya 1 year 11th of September and nya 1 year. It's no and ke anniversary kese pa ye but ye to nyoma bi. Ye me pese me man ye collaborative. It's me ne bones man and ye any crofobia. Yes. It's ye be kwakoye big by me hwebe bia ye pese ye nkoye no. E bia be kwa kurase ne ba ko. Na yakoye ade fefefe ama crofobia omuso omuhia emuasa because enuntina Nyankopon de sa dwumadie chairman or the chairman say memfa emboa afoforo enkrofo bi wo hono mo a ya na enye sika nko no muhia bu ono mo efutu keke ana wo hia te say anopa inspiration na mekan yi obu ono mo a ummu ne ne unhunu se ne ho onfaso enne ma because woni hwe wochina emrate me dane emanipa no ebeye otitiru ewo wabrabo nti ya amuma ye ndo ye ho na ye nkyere ye ho saa odo no eboa etimi de nipa ekọ ekyere pi obu on mo se me hia obia wo hia obia bema sana wadwen yo unni mo china sef wan hwe ya ene ana obi su wana wo sere wan yo china wo besu na me nipa na sere nti ya mo ye ndo ye ho na ye moa
kra no lady bako onu si onu so ordinary ba asa student
okay
onu na ne de na rape so na me say na omo pese o nka onyi akra no be lady ne kire me say o so da ye say no owu so wa ye bibisa wu
ama wawu
nti no pese ne sabe ka na school na okọ no omo ka kire ne say onyimti no untimi na na private school omo say onyimti so untimi manento so bi
wa mo no
school bi na okọ ti
wo emra be mu
minim de ojaye
embani for mu hwe maye ni o Ghana mra ewo mu se uko school na unyinse ya untimi to school so who told them that
ojaye o manager school no because minim se na mo twetwe na o se ne na me man free honum
woni
nti
until say nimre beso say okowo no ana obekọ akọwo owuwie obetuma saba school
me pay different school man de anyinse no koye ekowo
no secondary school na say SHS
ye o bro be train final exams was you know na the results
I remember that story I think so and so send me
yeah is it 5 A's obo 5 A's na B 2 or something ne banini
chabo fra no ho fe
o ko train exams ya na makoje akra no ahwe na anti o twere ya na abegye na me kofie
oni aboafo bia
na maame ba bi o mote no mote oboase ofo oboase obetra forest bi na chi forest bi oboase yese o mapai botan bi kura o ho no be fom akọ nti na maame so ona na maame na ho ne maame timi mfru ma nti na yese me na me ben no because na tata mosunyan o brekum nti na me kobrekum na makohwe ne ba no ho no nti
no akostu aba
okotwere ne exams ni wi ano ba behwa wa beje ne ba no na me ma back to sunyan so we enti
Clement Clement Yamin show Clement yeah my brother why
abona homo de enti this year kra
Clement Yamin show
mato form sama na obeko
university na say when be hwa kra
na ma me no wo ho no o ma me
okay good in so between na koma no
this year kra wanyini
oh nice so na kra say the wapeja where they say odi ma no
omo de no to me mom de yeboa
that's me name what do you for me can na babe no crepa
omo de no to me yeboa
oh wa Yamin show wa bra our boy bofrey obi a wetimi yi 5 A's
5 A's me this 5 A's 6 A's mo ba ko na
also be then what does you want to be
yeah person be health side no
okay
auto university forms be ai auto nursing and auto KNUST
okay
nti am say endrase nekra no we interview
good
my friend for nursing some interview
good
nti enra me send in discuss
oh that is nice
on fan coffee
I mean show me
interview no here
In fact, do you be on my other sending me a shot and say, hey, bro, God bless you because and Duffem, ready.
My blend and him say,
yes, of course, it's very important. Say, obey, sir. It's good. I create one fair. Yay! Mammy, a boy. Oh, being a bear crapper, being a bear crapper, where or what a ball, my Onyango, a quite of Fasu in your manana. Any pebby or more, may dream of mammy and Tiasi. Moja crying school fees, Eddie. Up I'm not free. School more so when you 20 minutes go school. And Rabeno. Maybe you won't be sad though.
No, I don't know. I am be bree, Wabusia. So, recently, me tie and cantabi, Bibroa, I am more Busia. Say, or Frabusia, Abusian in him say, Nipa Asumasi, see, ni see. And
all come.
Say, woman, ba could be so, Missy Dime, net dime man, Missy Dime, the other one, dime blue bisa, no, can say
Francis here,
and dime blue, not dime blue be a name.
Video bend on Francis Boma and Nafe and sorry free so.
Ono say no me din interview by no na manfo asase frem oyabusuani one big one busuani bi
ansa na odene to so
ma me na oda mu so to ebo ma me no
musumu nim se oda ho no nso bo no mo amwa no
ma me no ti bia ye na mankasa na ma na odi mani no eye se o say ni
video bend
we dey ma me no nya stroke 5 years
This is the day the Lord has made. Let us be glad.
Na omuso me ko si dan mo nti
o si adan
Nyezo.
Say dear, me and my papa KJC. Okoba. Any question pony kill for you. Where you say that?
So on that we don't know madam.
Oh,
Mobani. Tisu to an boom pa. Dinosaur in an omade. I don't know Chris.
Any bro, and I don't buy
that ye demol ye said an a year for from moment. We are. I don't know Mahataku was no. Nana, Omadia.
Oh, in Super Bono,
Super Buomo.
Super Buomo. Hey, at here for in fact, Encrophobia Samia Mobo. She one of you sorry, what do you watch it? They radiate you because the Encrophobia no, see a catcher. One here, obey surprised, honestly. Se okohu ni enkofobi namu sisi ya obey mobo like ebe o mobo enti ya bre ho ase kakra nya to ase slow down was a prayer who too much ana ye kasadodo enkrofo na mateti mu pa na nya ensem nyina na ye ka enye ensem nyina na ye ka say na we say hwa na ehwe wo mo ombaba no
na
oye adwuma
ye to no nya adwuma nti ya to fridge ama no yama almost a kakra or the tone so any drinks said they betimi dey share fridge in this one
okay good
na mom fridge o betimi e dey
I mean shroud everyday
fridge in this one
I mean shroud
things say they on class is e koso kakra
good that is good because na me say can busa sare and say M1 no ebi wa na yare anase bi wo pe ba bia odi ni tibeto munyama ni wi aka de obedi o ahwe obefre wo saa
say no ma omo ye ya bi so enkranza say ono de ko to dwe na wi on de man man for na inance de ko to dwa wi 43 years
Jesus
43 years or we do 2 years say Arabia friend no 10 sem wo se den ti odi ne ko to dwe si ti pesa abuo mu sie no ya man no ko to na ese nipa nan ti ono si ya man bidie 30 bucks na man is kakakra ti recently me ko am kwasra
I was near gume
me ko am kwasra na ma wo se bidie 30 bucks no why improve to is 60 bucks
wow
why oh yeah expanding sa
eton na hwan na be yat fama na achechire okay good
o chechire o mi to ba ko to na o mo chechire o so o beton bag.
Okay, good.
Then you better bag, I know before I did.
That's nice.
Me ko no say or expand business no kakra.
Nice. Already install menu. In fact, on common no say one here ye ka say ye nwie we me ka say me ni din komo akwa and you want to be brave videos no be brave pictures be brave ye ntimi nyina nkyere hwan so ni hwan mu de ni erade
we abrana no di 109 years no on that not that chiro hono dan we not that dan we ni di kan buye buye ba nya no and omode no call the other one so no so bu no no see dan man no ne dan na wo honom no
oh nice
on the no nyini pa
109 years mami dinchi nyame yeshira no
ne dan ne nti
se
baby ana
baby
ana ho obu no ani siwe ni sie
cute. Oh, nice.
Ne dan na mo fe
Clinton
Rapani.
What who said the Clinton America obedi mampani no sa kwa no so na onam no
pa
se eni utrimu amane nche utrim me di mampani obey me bedi achi yes Saudi a me wa bedi achi
amen
I'm telling you bro Crowe Ghana by the grace of God enche eba be crying sem eba be see nine so erade be boy am ya your man yi
amen
ama enipa asere
amen
said ye pray hu tu kwai ko Dubai ni ade no enkrofo so bi tu kwai aba man yi because we me hunu bibi say ade a ema ye nyina ye ho to ye ene se wa ma obi asere da bia me kam se nyis kan ko a obo on ma ne nkran hye sempe ana wo hia because we Yesu Francis dey na wo ye dey no dey abeto sin as one me come me come asemi wo dey yi answer Francis you free so asampa cho
ya friend there
Francis you na answer me come asampa cho Mr. Mr. ye I mean come asem said dey na me kan obi wo no mo a anyis kan ko a na wo hia obi wo no mo a nkranhye sem keke no hia obi so ska wo hia no na no so bebre kakra bi forget it omo ye fraud omo ye scam ni ade na obetima fraud won send we kakra obe scam o because obuse nipa be 2010 me dey say dey obusa me ni bia me dey ma bra me ni bia me dey bro ye nyina afi na ye fefe awurade adom tina hu say ya na ye gulo awurade nshira me wo hini ntia me frɛ me because e bi ni ho achowa misrew but obi wo no mo a genuinely ohia emoa ketua bi na wasre send if I can Austria and one no were you okay? That person can also tomorrow affect someone's life.
Sure.
It's yeah, more boy home. That is all we need. And one efe trust them say one yama unyanum inkuman one yama meso. Now be deja one shamatari. Because there if you say one mesrame, me yare and no sign your way and any pay here. See it me a sign your way my yin and jet near Sressia or be a hometono. And yet they say me baby we are we. And yet they say oh kwa juma na so to come on me bro. We the cocaine and wakoton. Na da fam wakoton bi e. Say cocaine na da fam wa. Ohene kone koton bi. En na fam. Eti mo mayen show sympathy kakra. Mo mayen bobo aye ho. Na yemfa osiriye en say nnuanom enfun mu. That is all we need. If we are able to do that, we are okay. We are good to go. Or mind be a moyeshe. But if you are able to do this, na yenjai aprobo no. Ade tonfo advice we enko mamo. Mo amoton aduane. Ene motonton paboa ne ntare ne ade. Yeah, mutu too much. Ne boy ye din too much. Ade okoka yes ya tutu nwoma. Na de tutu nwoma no ye na me enka me. Wo fro car driver. The person wo jo di ope.
Oh.
Chese bi bia boy ye din. Ene passengers ni mate for kosa every say o free assurement eko Accra mate say assurement to domain no agene fair domain to achimota no agene fair to lapa is circle no age to Accra obeso agene 4 times 3 times that day minua ye ne na ye ma ye ho ye kire ye bu ye ho dodo mama ye njai bro. Your final words. I hear me preach here, my dear. Your final words, near answering free.
My final words, my first like a sema. Brapani.
I said that way ready.
Mr. Open match.
Yes, a human and that film.
Now we say, me based in
Accra,
in the cities. No, I am normally more uncrassy. Go out to crass. Recently, I call me kunya accident bikra.
Hey, Kafra.
The moto.
Wow.
Kafra. Henti menye based Accra na say we no henti we dey me da se da kese so be ma me followers nyina obibia dan nyina no me di interview ba omoboa no aseda kese na me de mom because me mum de meka say me empty nti me de ba na mo boa enema yetimi yede esesa for lives nti without omo ane de me ma ho ade de nka me se o nti ayasira kese na me pese me bodin
doso we will consider the toys list we list ne wa dodo
nti madam ma me so ase I think say me sha ase ono bu ha we interview na nya bia be 600 700 no
top it up
be am na 2000 me sha say
me mommy
na 1000 na meta dem
edema
wo ane nso be na
ma nya me shira what boni din bo mommy din
ma Victoria fear from my boa ma me di
Victoria din wa de so nya me shira mommy say o do be na wo boa no
nti ono so
obemu ani age
boa me pa
we show ni mo nya one day
na shira pieces so nkoma metin ni na ye kwajopoku ne Mike na YG na Benedict
YG ne jina hai
da bi we yima
okay
yima so me da na
yima e bo adwuma yima nya me shira wate everyone second bia nya me shira kama pa ena ma adwuma ne ye de no wonya nkrofo muta wachi do no mo ye ni say na ma bibia ye kama me team wa mo ena mbo mu din Commander Francis eba se streaming ni ade ono so obo adwuma ema ye friend say event ni ade nti wo pe o event wo so streaming call Facebook live or ba tena hwa ye ni nyina kama ma ohumia be connect na ma easy ne charges so fo da fem de edito koko onje okese
enti alaji gongono no so ono na
radio no
okay ono ni team KD ne Zak ono so
na ministra mu
nyina ha so ase
nice one
enti
Instagram for Facebook for TikTok for obia Twitter ba bia mo obia odamo aseme damo asesa ya ministra mo odo amode tie chi no ena ma ye koyenim saa no interview e beto aso later ye de part 2 bebremo cases ne doso na ade ba ko a meka no se ayarefo ne bi wo hono mo asebi ma me fa sebi nto hono omo a sebi omo ho emfa wo mo no ebu hono mo ko hospital na ye bone bo na ne yemutumi hye no oni seska no no de abehye fie onko busa obi e ma ne mmoa ne mpo na ye kese ena ya na edru ba bi a na ne ka koye some way ana wo hwekra wuntimi nhwe wanhwe a obesu ebi wo no mo ayetimi kwa entfanto yi so obi wo no mo a sebi mo akrefri ne honam mu ba
se woman we ya yi ni dey say no
ye twa ne
2 ni nyina Jesus so ono no we say me ka se me ba kono de no kotodwia ono no ye ma ne wheelchair nso ka ho ba we recently twa na no ono adonate ono so ne wheelchair ndi amawi omo fi the same community
wow
donate ni wheelchair no e de ama
kama
nti yakoye na we wo wheelchair ti misane say onyawe no say wana me
ma me ba kono
no say ne di wheelchair ber no
and what the ber no
cause ono ne de ne fresh na na fi na o ma twa nti ono no de sisi ono no
enti etiefo ne ahwefo still emwa no ye hian we de ye begia esi wo kira ye begi sa yes nyankopon ba mo fa mo anemra because see e no de ono no wheelchair no hian no de ama we because we de e foforo kra it is still say obi wo moa wo wheelchair na enyi ska kra na wo wheelchair na be say wo de ma obetimi aframe nwen wo de number e betu dua na afei wo de akoboa nipa no wo pese o sponsor no bua no ewo ni djuma wodie ne transportation ne ade o tia say ne team edidie mu ne ade a obetimi afre me patcho number ne tudwa
my number no is 054 016 9707 054
oh good that screen is simple number na the screen is on team patcho mo free Clement ye boa numbers na mu bia o free na o donate as can be call PayPal so na da on trendingghana@gmail.com panyan na diskanatum kama obeyi no de akoboa enkrofo akoya adoye enti sanity here se mezo so mi show yi ayo fe ayo de ayo niji ayo nika na opese ode emwa ebeso yasene opese oye the sole sponsor for this Jaisuna Syria between them one number 0242916372 0242916372 no our best sponsor come e bia best sponsor I like inspires they bia opese o sponsor friend say let's pray I may introduce it very soon e bia opese o sponsor show ni nyina obeyi o yi segment bia free no sponsor e bia wo honom o frame ya ye betimi edi nkomo ne bo so nye den o ye business o pese enkofo ente wonka no mo no medidwa fabra me advertise ya mo meju bibi kete na me dey ato internet said dey be ya dey be a wetimi ai dey ahwe me sa pepepe etimi sro mon frɛ 0242916372 na bibia anye kama fugu ya me share say yo fa me I am fe pa ntina masa ahye biem say yo fa fugu hine ebe sort 0243056556 0243056556 fugu hine all platforms oboa fugu hine all baby authentic fugu papa emu du kama on say yana ma inu say because yana etweme emu ye du en say da afebo na ntwe ni ka we yento enye fin so ntem wetu ahye saa onua bra nema onye fe all occasions politicians no e say moto fugu o me ho na parliament mko tanase ya say ya ne che wo na me mpe ne che no na maye me tea sconsi me nko che che esa mo hu me branding no ene ntina man se ba ne che wo ho ope ne trust akra ne trust eso wo ho no a obetimi ahye na wo dia co occasions bia ye fugu ye betuma ye ama wo be say naming ceremony wo dey worry wo be say wo dey party wo dey koji we ba bia ye be sort wo ne wo yere ene wo ma ebusuafo ni na will take care of you it's your numbers na me two dwa no na afi ye ne wo eni enkita ho na ye sort wo enti adofo ene ye tiefo nyame enhira mo so much mo amunya ebre e de hwe me e wo Facebook nyina nyame enhira mo adofo mo follow me page no at Don Ilag at Don_Ilag DON_ILAG. Follow me on all social media platforms nafi yendishin komo. Me I am very easy to approach. You beat me approach me anyhow any day from me. I will respond. I'm very nice. Situation bi mo. O pese oni obi eche but baby on fanfa from me number no 0242916372 na ye ni nkomo meti se ese de ba air me ya bia transe ni abetwe nkomo ni ehu emo a ye betime ede aboa nyame nhira se onya abre ede hwe me ni asopa. God bless you and take you places, take you far. I am very 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 grateful for your time. And check see enkoma me boss Mr. Bright Edu Ochre. God bless you so much. Say wama ye kwanya we na ene yeti ha ye di show yin so ebre afoforo nyame enhira pa Mr. What they saying Patrick Boatin also for nyame enhira so much. Say we want so oje talent we edi na ene yeti ha no a ye touch lives. God bless you so much. I appreciate that. Enti na mepa dasene ye be sa ba betena se ni adwetwe nkomo makraw nyame nka ho no nyokese bye bye na me sorry de eni esusuka